Overhand. You remember how to do this shit, right?
Ooh, leaning back. Look at that back bend on that motherfucker.
Get yours in here. Bring yours.
I'm trying.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right. It's snagged. He's going over here. Forget it. For that. Oh, shit. Can you remind him real quick?
Get down there. Get down there closer.
No, I know. I just don't want this tangle up my line.
Get down there. Don't let him go down there. Come over here. Bring him over here.
I'm trying. He's not gonna let me though. I gotta go. Oh fuck! He's hit these sticks. I gotta let him go swim past these sticks. Oh, he's coming back out. Come down this way. Come down here. Right over here. Right over here. I just don't want to rip him. I don't want to break in these sticks. Fuck. I'm only got one chance with this fucker. Go ahead of me. Go ahead of me. Right here. Right here. Right here. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. The fuck I'm talking about. Carp fishing. That's how we do it here. We catch everything, honey hole hunters. Get a nice shot right there. Show. Hold them off. Show them. Hold them up a little bit.
Nice one.
That's a nice one right there. Fighting. All right, let's get him. Where's the best spot to go? I don't want to. It's fucking steep there. I'm gonna go over here, right? It's a little less steep over here. Always the catch and release here. Boom, took off. Knot tying session here.
I think we've been getting snaggy all day.
Snagged all day. At least we got the nice carp though.
Oh, beautiful carp my man got. Let me tell you about that.
Footage.
Net job, beautiful.
That was a good net job. Hell yeah.
Wait till I see that footage.
Good net
Beautiful
job.
carp.
Good net job. What kind of knot we got going on there?
Oh, we got that Ethan Palomar knot.
All right.
You know,
Proving to work.
proving to work, that Palomar, okay?
As soon as it goes through the hole.
Just can't be too shaky when you try it, okay? Shaky, quaky.
Can't be too intoxicated when you...
Hydrated, okay? We're hydrated. Oh yeah, but this Palomar definitely lands them.
All right, the old loop-de-loop. The old looper.
Throw a little loopy round the doopy. Oh, fucked it up.
Uh-oh.
Oh, lost the head. Oh, we fucked it up. Back to the drawing board.
Start again. Start fresh.
Make sure there's no phrase in the line.
Yeah, no phrase so you can do the eye hole.
No phrase in the line.
All right, try that loop again.
Then you try that double loopy, not the loopy.
Don't lose that loop again.
Losing light and the loop. I don't get it.
Oh, you got it. There you go.
Need more room to play. Always make sure you got enough room to play.
Oh, you got more playing room? Loop playing room.
Oh, yeah. Make sure you got that super sharp eagle claw hook. That shit is sticky. Like
That stinger sticky hook?
sticky stinger hook. Got the loop. Whoopty whoop.
Get that hook through there.
Bang, come back through. Oh, don't forget the moisten.
Yeah, lube it up.
Boom, got it.
You got it?
Pull your tag in. Ready for business. With the 10-pound test. Act like you know. Snip that tag in. Don't snip the main line because I did it twice already.
Snip, snip.
Oh,
You said don't snip the main line.
I did it twice. As I sit here.
Twice snip the line.
Oh, shit. As I sit here, I did it twice.
And that's Not Tying Session, episode 1 right there.
Hey, let's go.